Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the app today? Or will we be responsible for fucking up your order? Walked in hungry, left feeling hollow. Punk ass wants a royal with cheese. No shake since the machine is down. Lazy ass didn't clean. Gripping me off again. Ronald McDonald is a serial killer. Choking the chicken in the bag. Choke, choke, choke that chicken. Oh, McDonald's choking a chicken. McChoke on this nugget, baby. Bye, 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 birdie. Oh, I'm walking away, clogging that artery while clogging the toilet. Choke it, choke that chicken tonight. A Big Mac special sauce on a Sesame Street short bus. A fast food sketchy shadow lurking in the drive-thru. Ronald McDonald killing the chicken. Chicken choke, die, 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 chicken die. He's been gripping me off since '09. Not falling for it anymore. Choke, choke, choke that chicken. McDonald's choking a chicken. McChoke on this nugget, baby. Bye, 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 birdie. I'm walking away, clogging that artery while clogging the toilet. Choke it, choke that chicken tonight. I'm done with the lies, done with the grease. Ronald's got nothing left for me. I'm taking my hunger somewhere real. Choke, choke, choke that chicken. McDonald's choking a chicken. McChoke on this nugget, baby. Bye, bye, birdie. I'm gone for good.